Here is how to resize an image on Canva Mobile. First, you want to open up your Canva project. Then you want to select the image that you want to resize by tapping on it. You'll see that it has this purple border around it, and it has these white circles on each corner. So what you can do is drag these circles by tapping on it and then holding it, and that's going to drag the image so that way you can resize it from any one of these corners, like so. If you double tap the image, this will give you the option to crop it. So we can drag the image through the crop here. So if we want to adjust the crop to be like this, then we can go ahead and click on where it says done. And now it will adjust the crop the way we set it. We can also double tap the image again, and we can click on where it says smart crop, and that's going to automatically crop it to center the figure in the center of the image. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, but that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.